Welcome to Mind's Mirage, the illusion of reality explained. In this journey, we'll explore the essence of reality. What defines it? Is it the tangible world we perceive, or is there more to it? Philosophers and thinkers have pondered this question for ages. From Plato's cave allegory to Descartes' skepticism, humanity has grappled with the nature of reality. Our perceptions shape our reality, but they're not always accurate. Optical illusions and cognitive biases remind us of the fallibility of our senses and the subjective nature of reality. In today's digital age, misinformation blurs the line between truth and fiction, emphasizing the need for critical thinking. Consciousness plays a pivotal role in shaping our perception of reality. Neuroscientists study its intricacies, while Eastern philosophies offer alternative perspectives on existence. Have you ever squinted at a shimmering pool of water on a scorching highway, only to find it vanish as you approach? That mirage, a trick of light and heat, offers a glimpse into a fascinating philosophical question. Is our reality as solid as we think? Our world comes to us through the filter of our senses. Sight, sound, touch, taste, and smell bombard us with raw data that our brains transform into experiences. But how much of that experience is truly objective, and how much is shaped by the unique lens of our minds? Imagine the color red. We all see it, but can we be sure the redness we experience is identical to what someone else sees? This subjective quality of our experiences is called qualia. It's the essence of what it feels like to taste sweetness or hear a melody. Philosophers have pondered this for centuries. What if our brains are just elaborate receivers, plugged into a simulated reality? The brain in a vat thought experiment explores this unsettling possibility, blurring the lines between the world we perceive and a potentially constructed one. But our perception isn't just about raw sensory data. Our personal experiences, biases, and expectations all play a role. Culture and language even shape how we interpret the world. Imagine two cultures, one with a single word for blue, and another with many words for different shades. Their experience of the color spectrum might be vastly different. Yet, despite the subjective nature of our perception, there seems to be a stubborn reality out there. Scientific laws, like gravity or the speed of light, appear consistent across the universe, suggesting an underlying objective world. And even if our individual experiences differ, we can often agree on basic aspects of the world around us, a shared reality we navigate together. So, does the illusion of reality make our experiences any less real? Perhaps not. The key is to acknowledge the subjective nature of perception while still engaging with the world we share. After all, even a mirage can lead us to a real oasis. Is our reality a perfectly rendered image, or a dreamlike projection of our minds? That's a question each of us must ponder and answer for ourselves. Reality, it seems, is a multifaceted gem, inviting us to explore its infinite facets. As we ponder the stars and marvel at nature, we're reminded that reality is but a fleeting illusion, shaped by our perceptions and interpretations. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening voyage through Mind's Mirage, the illusion of reality explained. Until next time, may you continue to question, explore, and embrace the ever-shifting tapestry of reality.